2015 Ram 1500. HEMI. Nice stone gray color. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got a resonator right there. And we added another one, a Dynomax race bullet right there. Part number 24250. If you guys want the link in the description, there'll be a link in the description for it. And then somebody else, another muffler shop, to show you guys compare our work to theirs, did a resonator delete on each side, there, and left the original tips right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. There's the Dynomax race bullet.
2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. What we got done on it today for you guys is still got the stock converters, got less than 1,000 miles on it. And then the customer brought it in and he ordered a kit from Corsa that we just installed for him, a dual system. And he says this system is guaranteed not to drone. So we will see. We'll see how she sounds. And it comes out to 5-inch tips, massive tips right there. One here and one here.
2020 Ram 1500 Limited 5.7 liter HEMI. HEMI. What we got done on it for you guys. So I got factory converters, massive converters now these days, they come on them. Then it's got a single 3-inch, turns into a single 3-inch all the way back. And you have to stagger that muffler to be able to make it fit. 40 series Flowmaster right there. There's the part number 42442 if you guys want to purchase one. And what you do is just expand it to 3-inch right there. And then it duals out on that wide pipe out the back into 2 resonators there and there. He's gonna drive. We were putting 5-inch tips on it, but he said, I talked him out of it because he's gonna drive it for a couple of days and see if he likes it with the resonators or he wants to take the resonators off. And then we'll run 5-inch tips. He's gonna be back in a couple of days. So we'll show you a follow-up video after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you install a Flowmaster 40 series on them. There it is. Beautiful truck. Much better. Oh man, that's perfect. They got that rev limiter on them. Again. Sound decibels. Again. One more. 110 decibels. When you first brought it in, it was like 80 or 90, something like that, 92. That's the sound you were looking for probably before, huh? I'm sorry, man, they did that to you. That sucks. Go ahead. We took it to another shop and they put a Flowmaster knockoff 40 series and you couldn't barely hear it. So we went with a Dynomax race bullet. It sounds so much better. Such a cleaner sound. Let you guys hear on the inside. To be that loud. There's the Corsa system right there. That's the part number 21035. Beautiful, man. Yeah. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. It's like 93, it's not even 100. Go ahead and back it up. Hey, that way you get a two-part video. That's what you guys think. Flowmaster 40 series. Needs to be louder. Ram 1500 Dynomax race bullet. And resonator deletes. '20 limited Ram 5.7 liter HEMI.